What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be taking off my front bumper on the S to get some goodies. So let me show you what's up. So we're taking off the front bumper because I bought a new one. I can't show you guys yet because I don't have it. It's getting painted along with the lip that I bought. So yeah, man, it's about time I start, making this car look nice. Before, I used to have OEM AP1 front lip on this. It was Sebring silver. It wasn't even Silverstone like the color of this car. So I kind of like threw it off. And I also had side skirts on the car, but that's also getting painted. Yeah, I want to take this front bumper off. It's time for a change. I'm like over like how my car looks. And also this bumper is not like in the best condition. Has like some scrapes and like it's nasty. I'm gonna raise the car up a little bit and I'm gonna start taking things off so we could pull this front bumper off and take the fender liners off too, because I don't think the fender liners are gonna fit on my new bumper, so might as well take them off. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take these 5 Phillips off the front, and then that will expose these two 10 mils on each side. So after you take off the 5 Phillips in the front, you sort of like pull this out. It'll come out easy. The 10 mils on this side and on this side. Kind of want to like be careful with these because they're so small. This is the type of bolt that you take out and then you lose and then you never see it again. What we're gonna do now is take the bolts along the bottom of the bumper. You can see they run all along the bottom. Now that we took off all the bolts on the bottom, the only thing we're gonna have left is 2 bolts in the fender liner right there. There's a little like spot in the fender liner where you like be able to see. So it's like tucked in here. So that one is a 8 mil, is one on each side. And after we take that bolt off, I think it should be ready to pull off. There's some like catches on each side of the bumper, so you kind of like pull down and then pull out. Don't just like don't yank it. You kind of have to like finesse it. So you had to pull it down to get like over the bolt. So once it's there, you kind of have to like push down and then pull so it could get over this bolt right here. But we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. On like the corners, what I'm doing, I'm just like trying to like separate it from the headlight and like wiggling and like rocking it from side to side. Yo, is it me or like do cars look better without like front bumpers? I feel like this car just like turned like hella mean. It looks hella mean now. I think this bumper absorber will not be going on because the bumper might not fit with that on. So yeah, right now I'm about to start just trying to pull things apart, see what I need to take out of the fender liner. So this has to be like the biggest fender liner I ever seen. Like, this thing is huge. It's supposed to be like a clip, but I don't have that, so you can never go wrong with the zip tie method. So just cut this piece of the reinforcement, because when you put AP2 bumpers on the AP1, they tend to crack the bumper over time. So just cut this piece. Here it is, guys. I went with AP2 from bumper. Just got it back from paint. I also painted my side skirts, side splitters, whatever you want to call it. My lip is not yet finished. I still have to go back and pick it up. What we're gonna be doing is smacking the front bumper on. As you can see, my S2000 is still naked. We're gonna smack this on, smack the side skirts on, and then smack on the lip. Bro, I literally left this for 1 second. The breeze literally took it down, fell on the floor, and scratched this whole shit up, bro. My fucking luck. Oh man, scratched it over here. So I'm gonna just put it on and see what my body guy could do. See if he could take some of the scratches out, fix it, whatever, on the car. So I'm gonna just put it on. Yo, if you're watching this video right now, just give it a like, bro, because I'm freezing my ass off right now. I got it mounted up. It's a little annoying, you know, doing it by yourself. I wasn't trying to let it drop again, but so on there I just got to put the bolts that we took off previously, the ones on the sides, the 5, and the 2 on each corner, 1 on each corner. It looks good, but I feel like once the bumper gets fixed and I put the lip on, it's gonna look way different. I think I just had to close the hood. This should look way better, bro. If you see it from far, you almost can't see the scratches. Nah, but seeing it like this almost made me forget about the scratches. Here it is. This is the lip. This is a CR lip. Yo, this car's gonna look so much different, bro. It's so much better once I put this on. It's gonna be a crazy difference. So I got the OEM weather stripping. It's gonna like fill any imperfections once it's on the car. And I also went ahead and put 3M tape alongside this little edge where the stripping goes. I'm also gonna do two holes on the side of the bumper here. So yeah. Piece of gutter that I found, and over here I got a screwdriver to fucking levitate. I haven't taken off the 3M tape or anything. I just placed it on to see how it's gonna look. I think I have to heat it up to try to like mold this, like try to like warp it the way I want to. Heat it up and then put the bolts. There's like a huge gap on both sides. I'm gonna take off the 3M tape and try to put it on, see if it holds. At the same time, I'm gonna try to hold it up and try to put the screw on the side so it can at least like stay by itself. So I put just one bolt in the bottom just to like hold it. put one in on each side. This side has like a really bad gap compared to the other one. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just heat it up and try to like hold the 3M tape, like make sure the 3M tape is like on there. See if it'll like hold. And then yeah, I have like fucking a gun on a flashlight, try to hold it up. You guys ready for it? Oof. Yo, this shit came out so fucking nice, bro. Yo. Yeah, this car is fire, bro. This front bumper and lip, the lip like made a huge difference. Yeah, I love this thing now. So I just put screw there and screw there, like the holes on the, there's holes on the lip. These two holes are the holes on the lip, and on the other side there's also like markings on the bumper that tell you like where it should be. So, but the only thing I really had to do is heat it up a lot with the heat gun, because like it was not trying to like form to the bumper. But once you heat it up, it kind of like moves and it's easier to maneuver. But yo, damn, bro. Keep it alright, keep it alright. Which one's your favorite right now? I don't know, the S2000 looking too fire right now. Comment down below, tell me which one's your favorite, the M3 or the S2K. Oof. This car's gonna look way better on some wheels, a little lower. Yo, there's like so many front bumpers like you could put on this car, so many different like lips and whatever, but I think this one has to be definitely my favorite. The AP2 bumper on CR lip, man, can't go wrong with this, man. It just looks like so aggressive. I ordered the plugs for the plate. I just have to smack them on, and then it's gonna really look like way cleaner. So I also have my side skirts. I just put 3M tape all around, and then I'm gonna drill the screws in. I just got the 3M tape for extra support so it doesn't like fly out or anything, or if I scrape it, it won't, you know, break. So yeah, about to throw the skirts on the S. So this is what the car looks like for now. Fire. Tell me what you guys think. You like it? You don't like it? What front bumper should I got? What front lip should I have got? Let me know. Let me know if you guys feeling the CR lip. Stay tuned to more videos, more mods coming on this car, coming on the M3 as well. These two are gonna look so good together, and it's gonna be crazy. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you guys in the next one.